Sinsan, Taytay, Chosan, Lihu. My name is Annalyn Balvin Agkawili. I am 43 years old. I am from Villa Gonzaga, Santiago City, Philippines. I am happy married. I have 3 sons and 1 daughter, 21, 20, 12, and 10 years old. My highest educational attainment in college graduate. My hobbies are watching movies, listening music. I work as housemaid for Philippines for 3 years. I serve 1 couple and 2 children, 7 years old and a newborn baby. I work as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years. I serve 1 couple and 4 children, 9, 12, 15, and 19 years old. My duties are house cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, especially taking care of children. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family, especially my children because they are all studying. I'm willing to take good care, newborn, toddler, children, and elderly. I can also sing a nursery rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to take good care of your children, and I'm kind, honest, hardworking, and trustworthy. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.